was thinking maybe I could do a classic donut for the beef. On top of my other stuff, of course.
Yeah.
But, I mean, I think it could be hot.
When you're working in some of these places and you don't feel like you can bring your ideas to life, sometimes that's not the point. And I know I've come full circle on all of this. I've been in Marcus's position and I've been in Sydney's position. If you have a good idea, it's sometimes better to just keep it in your back pocket, because you'll have a time when you can host pop-ups. You'll have a time when you're instructed to write a menu. You'll have a time when someone says, okay, it's time. You're going to come up with a concept. What do you want to have on the menu? You'll do a private dinner for someone and they'll say, just do whatever you want. We're excited to see what you make. It's hard for me to say that because it's really easy to get impatient, because all you want to do is do something that inspires you, and it feels incredibly unmotivating to sometimes cook someone else's food. But if it's going to come at the expense of the entire ship going down, it can sometimes be not worth it.